This video is for creating service connection using automatic app registration and federated identity credentials. So let us walk through the steps. Click on project settings, click on service connections, create service connection, select Azure Resource Manager, click next. And here we have to authenticate. Once authenticated, here, if we click on identity type, we have app registration automatic, app registration manual. This manual process in the previous video I have explained. Now let us go with automatic app registration. When we select this, the advantage is that we need not go to portal and explicitly create app registration and add role assignment for the app registration, create federation identity credentials. All these tasks are avoided if we go with automatic way. So that's the advantage. And here the next step is after selecting this credential is by the recommended one is Workload Identity Federation. Select that. And subscription, you have to select the required subscription and select the resource group under that subscription. Especially when an organization uses single resource group for creating all the resources in Azure. This is a very good concept because for this resource group, the service connection will be automatically assigning everything. You need not do anything explicitly. And give a service connection name. And check this option, grant access permission to all pipelines. Then click on save. So now we can see that service connection got created, and we can go to the portal and recheck whether the app registration, federated identity, everything got created. So go to Entra ID, and here under app registrations, see this is the app registration which automatically got created. And under manage, if you go for certificates, here federated identity credentials also got created automatically. And if you want to see the role assignment under the resource groups. So this is the resource group we have selected. So for this, under access control, if we go for the role assignments, so here, this is the service principal which automatically got created. Here, service principal is nothing but app registration. So this got created and automatically contributor level of access is assigned for this service principal. This is the advantage. Thank you.